So we're doing a dance adaptation of The Matrix. Not just the first film, but the Animatrix. The many forms it takes. It's very inspirational work for a lot of people, a very prophetic work. And of course, it just seemed the perfect opportunity to use the skills and resources of the students who are here at the School of Digital Arts, which is like the first proper digital college, university, to connect with The Matrix, which is about our digital futures. So that made a lot of sense. To try and harness younger voices as well, because there's obviously for those of us of a generation who are not digital natives, there's always an apprehension about technology that actually colours your vision of it. And it's wonderful to work with students who are proper digital natives. There's always been screens in their lives. It expands the opportunities that we have with the show, but also the places that it comes from. It felt like a great way to harness the strengths here, but I'm very, very impressed, yeah.